Welcome to Cookbook Junction, where we explore cookbooks and recipes from the past. We asked on Instagram if anyone knows what this recipe is called. Now, if you guessed pregnant cucumber, you're right. That's the real name of this unusual mid-century recipe from a vintage cookbook called Recipes from the East. Written by Irma Walker Ross, the book introduces American audiences to a variety of international recipes, from Japan to Russia and beyond. Irma used to send recipes along with Christmas cards, and because of the popularity of it, she decided to put it in the form of this cookbook. In her introduction, Irma writes, "Food is one of the surest ways to understanding people. In learning how others eat, we learn how others live." Now that spirit of curiosity and connection runs through every recipe in this book, first published in 1955. Its whimsical illustrations were created by Katsui Bei Misumura. Katsui was a talented Japanese-American artist whose drawings bring warmth and charm to every page. She would go on to illustrate beloved children's books, often rooted in Japanese culture and storytelling. One of those books, If I Were a Mother, was even read aloud on Sesame Street, leaving a quiet but lasting legacy in both food and children's media. One of the more curious entries in Recipes from the East was, of course, this one, Pregnant Cucumber. The name might sound funny today, but it's a real dish blending stuffed vegetables with savory flavors in a light mid-century fusion style. To make it, we'll start by partially peeling large cucumbers and slicing them into thick rounds about 2 inches. Then we'll scoop out the centers to create a hollow for filling. In a bowl, mix ground pork and salt, soy sauce, cornstarch, diced onions, celery, fresh ginger, and a bit of oil, and we'll mix this well. This savory blend gets packed into the cucumber slices, almost like little edible cups. We'll get a large pan and add some oil and put on medium-high heat. Then we'll set our stuffed cucumbers into the pan with our beef broth. Cover and cook for about 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, we'll reduce the heat and let them simmer gently for around 35 minutes so the flavors meld and the cucumbers become tender. To finish this, we'll mix cornstarch, water, and soy sauce together. Then we'll add this to the pan. Now we do this after the 35 minutes. It should start getting thick now, so begin pouring it over the cucumbers just before serving. I made some rice to go with this dish, but you could definitely try noodles with it as well. What you get is a vintage East meets West dish, playful, comforting, and a little unexpected. This is just one of many globally inspired recipes from Irma, tucked into Recipes from the East, reminding us how food has always been a passport to understanding. Follow Cookbook Junction for more vintage recipes served weekly, and don't forget to subscribe for new videos and culinary history every week. Of course, if you have a cookbook or recipe you would like us to feature, drop us a line in the comments. Well, I need a lot of peaches for this recipe. Can you guess what I'm making? Find out next time on Cookbook Junction.